Hey friends, if you wish to install and use 7-zip on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for 7-zip in your browser and hit enter. Go to the 7-zip page and click on download corresponding to the x64 version. Click on open corresponding to it and click on install. Once it is installed, to zip any file or folder, go to that folder. Let's say it's a folder, not a file. Right click on it. Select show more options. You'll find 7-zip in the list. Click on this. Select add to archive. Choose the format you wish to make it into. Click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.